Hello everyone. Recently I gave my students questions to solve in their math exam. Um, the number one question is this: the third and the seventh term of an APR, 3 plus 4 root 3 and 3 plus 12 root 3 respectively. Find the fifth term of the AP. And this is GCE question 2023. And the B part of the question is, if 2 raised to the power 1 minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to the power 2 minus 3y, find y. So I'll be taking time to solve these questions. So here is the solution for the first question. Now, in AP, if you want to tackle this question, you just look at the formula for finding the n term of an arithmetic progression, of which the formula is Tn is equal to a plus, in bracket, n minus 1 d. And this is the formula, and it's this formula we are going to use to solve this question. So the a here is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. So for the third term, the formula is a plus 2d. A plus 2d. How did I get a plus 2d? If you look at it this way, a plus bracket 3 minus 1d, which will give you a plus 3 minus 1 is 2. A plus 2d. So that's how I got the formula. So the third term is a plus 2d, and is equal to 3 plus 4 root 3. Then the seventh term, which is T7, is a plus 6d, which is also 3 plus 12 root 3. Now we have two equations. So this is going to be our equation 1, and this one will be our equation 2. We are going to solve this simultaneously, and I want to use elimination method to solve this. So in this equation, we are going to eliminate a. Of course, if you look at it, it's easy to eliminate. We can also eliminate 3 as well. So what I'm going to do now is I will subtract the equation 2 from equation 1, of which the equation 2 is the seventh term. I'll subtract the equation 2 from equation 1. A minus a is 0. Okay, so plus 2d minus plus 6d will give me minus 4d. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now plus 4 root 3 minus 12 root 3, it will give me minus 8 root 3. Now I'm going to get d by dividing both sides by the coefficient of d. So when I divide both sides by the coefficient of d, which is minus 4, so minus 4 cancels itself. I have d here. So minus 4 divides minus 8d. Minus sign will cancel out to become positive sign. Then 4 divides 8 is 2. So d is 2 root 3. Now this is our common difference. Our common difference is 2 root 3. So the next thing I'm going to do is to substitute d as 2 root 3 in equation 1. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to rewrite this equation 1. A plus 2 bracket 2 root 3 will give me 3 plus 4 root 3. Now look at it. A plus, instead of writing 2d, I'll replace this d with 2 root 3. Okay? Now, I have a plus, I need to remove the bracket. 2 times 2 is 4. Sorry, 2 times 2 root 3 will give me 4 root 3 equals 3 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so I need to cancel this because the same constant is appearing on both sides of the equation. So in mathematics, this is what you do. When you have the same number appearing on both sides of the equation, they can cancel out. So a will give me 3. I've gotten a, and I've also gotten my d. So I'm going to use this to find my fifth term, because in this question I'm asked to find the fifth term of the arithmetic progression. So the fifth term will be a plus 4d, going by the formula. Now the fifth term, our a is 3 already, so I'm going to plug in 3 here, plus 4, and our d is 2 root 3. I'm going to plug in 2 root 3, that is brackets 2 root 3. Okay, now I have 3 plus 4 times 2 root 3 will give me 8 root 3. Now this was my final answer. So the fifth term, the value of the fifth term is 3 plus 8 root 3. Now, to solve the second question, which is this one. Now look at how I'm going to do it. That is my 1b. I'll write 2 raised to power 1 minus y multiplied by 2 raised to power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to power y plus 2 equals 8 raised to power 2 minus 3y. Now, to solve this question, I'll need to visit the laws of indices. You know, the first law goes like this: a raised to power n times a raised to power n to give me a raised to power m plus n. And the second law goes by a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, which will give me a raised to power m minus n. Now, I'm going to use these two laws to tackle this question. So the first law, I will apply it here. Then the second law, I'll combine the both laws. You know, applying the first law here, then I'm plugging in the second law here. So look at how I'm going to do it. I have 2 raised to power 1 minus y. Now this multiplication sign will necessitate the appearance of positive sign here in their powers, plus y minus 1. So I'm putting it in bracket to avoid confusion. Then this division law, you know, this is division, will necessitate the appearance of the negative sign. So I'll write minus bracket y plus 2 equals, then 8 is 2 raised to power 3, then bracket 2 minus 3y. Okay, now I need to remove the bracket. I have 2 raised to power 1 minus y plus y minus 1. Then here I need to remove this like this, minus y, then minus times plus will give me minus 2 equals 2 raised to power 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times minus 3y will give us minus 9y. Okay, so 1 minus y plus y minus 1. If you look at this, we have 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1 will give us 0, cancel it out. Minus y plus y is 0, we'll cancel it out. So we are left with 2 raised to power minus y minus 2 equals 2 raised to power 6 minus 9y. Now, it has a common base, so we cancel them out. I have minus y minus 2 equals 6 minus 9y. Okay, now I need to collect my like terms. I'm solving it algebraically. I have minus y plus 9y equals 6 plus 2. Minus y plus 9y will give me 8y, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Then when I divide both sides by the coefficients, y becomes 1. Now this is the final answer. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share it, okay? All right, bye.